Who's a good girl?
Oh, who was Tutu?
Alice, get shotgun.
Mel's pregnant.
Could use the fresh air. Give you two a chance to talk.
Real subtle.
Gracias.
How have you been sleeping these days? Not great. Do you want me to get you something from the pharmacy? Or... Nah, I'm good. It's not a big deal. No, it's fine. I'm just gonna wear myself out. I've been picking up a few extra assignments. You and one. What do you mean? Nothing.
Hey, Manny. Where are you headed?
2.
Truck S-24 headed to 2. Your survival will be long.
And you're deadly sweet.
Maybe we lost a hatchery. Yeah. Any plan on getting it back? Nah, Isaac says it's low priority. We're fishing enough wild salmon right now. What did you mean about me and Owen? I haven't seen him in like 2 weeks. He keeps picking up open assignments. Has he talked to you? Did he say anything? Or... No, we're still not. I mean, I seen him in the mess hall, but we walk around each other. Jackson shook him. You know, I wouldn't read too much into it. Ambush!
Hang on!
No, stay low! Kill the wolf! They were waiting for us. Yeah.
Take them out!
What the fuck do you think we're doing?
Get closer! Bring up there!
Get us out of this! Right. Just keep coming! You okay? Yeah.
Fucking scars.
How far are we from the fob? It's a hike.
We're too exposed. Let's get inside.